What's up, man? Today's video, I'm gonna show people how to buy crypto and actually own your crypto. A lot of people are buying it through Cash App, Robinhood, and PayPal, but you don't own your crypto. So stick around to the end of the video. You'll see my favorite spot to buy crypto with your debit card and actually be able to use it. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Boski, and you're here watching Hustling Crypto, the channel all about crypto and owning crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you not only how to buy crypto, but where to buy crypto at. And if this is your first time on my channel, please hit that like, subscribe button. That way you don't miss out when I drop new videos. Now, one of my favorite spots to buy crypto from using my debit card is Crypto.com. Now, this isn't a sponsored video from Crypto.com. It's just my own personal experience. I like buying crypto through them because I have access to it. In less than 30 seconds, I can transfer it to another platform and make some other moves happen. This is my wife's account. I don't like showing my account on my phone. I'd rather show hers because she has a fairly new account, just getting her into crypto, helping her out like I'm helping you. Now, on Crypto.com, you can build a list of your favorites. You see right here, her favorites is BNB, Crypto.com, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. And you can scroll down, it shows you can click the button for the NFTs they have. They have a big collection of different artists of NFTs. And it gives you a list of the top gainers so that way you stay ahead and know what's actually moving in crypto. So you have a list of top gainers for the day. And on the bottom, you have news. If you're not familiar with going or tracking down news, this would be a great spot for you to actually get news right there on one site. Coming over, you can look at your accounts, see exactly what you have. Looking at her account, she has a little bit of Crow, has a little bit of VeChain, and you're able to send that out to someone very simple. So say you want to get something to your mom, like right here, I can transfer something out and I can withdraw it. And I can send some to myself, her king. I can send it to myself. You know, I can hit max and send it to myself. You have to leave one of the coins in there. I can just hit send. Now you have to do some steps in order to send it, but it usually takes about 20 seconds for you to do it, and I will have it in my account. But going back over, you can easily buy, very simple. So I could just hit that, buy 1,200, and you'll see a fee comes up, 2.99%. Now, so that means every 100 you're paying $3 in order to buy crypto with your debit card. So if you're spending $1,000 or investing $1,000, every $1,000 will cost you $30. I typically don't do that unless I know there's an event coming up and some price action is going to be moving. I might do a couple $1,000. It might cost me $60 because I know I'm going to make more money in the long run. But usually I just wire transfer and it takes 2 to 5 days, and it's free when I buy the crypto doing it that way. Crypto.com has a nice amount of cryptos that you can earn off of, and they give you the percentages right here based on certain terms. And you can see, you can just scroll down, you can see Polkadot is at 12.5%. You can't get you barely get 1% in the savings account, but they're giving you 12.5%. You can scroll down, Polygon-Matic, another one, 12.5%. And the list goes on, and once you can find, you can stake your money and make a passive income or some good returns just by staking in the account. And along with earning, they have a long list of cryptos that you can actually buy. Most places like Cash App, PayPal, they only have about 4 or 5 cryptos. And you hear people on TikTok say a whole bunch of things about different cryptos, how much money they made. Well, they're buying them from places like this and they're making things happen. This is the start. This is why I buy most of my cryptos at. I do most of my trading on KuCoin platform. But that's another video that I will do next week on Educational Mondays, so stay tuned for that video. But going down, they have a nice long list of all the cryptos that you can buy. And even ones that's not on here, but they just give you information about it. And as you can see right now, the whole market is actually green. So that's actually a good thing. I'm actually happy for it. So it's actually green. But you can just click on any one you want, boom, and there you go. You can just click the buy button and you can buy it. Now you can transfer it out like I showed you before. And then that way you can utilize your crypto the correct way instead of letting somebody else own your crypto and you're only able to buy and sell it. Along with being able to buy crypto and stuff like that, you can get a crypto debit card. My wife has a debit card established to her account. I got that for her because you can earn up to, if I'm not mistaken, it's 4 to 8% cash back on your card. And it gives you information and, you know, the bonus rewards you can get. It gives you different discounts in different places. This is one of the reasons why I love Crypto.com. You get a discount, $40 cash back at Sam's Club, Mattress Firm, 10% off, Aeropostale, different places, you know, featured offers, then you can just keep going. You know, my daughter loved Casey Pizza. It's like 3 of them down the street, and I get 3% cash back bonus just for doing it, you know, Office Depot. Just a lot of different things, you know, that you can actually use in your everyday life that you're going to buy stuff with anyway. So I actually love Crypto.com. It gives a good purse to buying crypto along with the things that I buy on everyday life. So this is the reason why this is one of my favorite crypto places to buy cryptos. And if you hit the link on the bottom, you get 25 and I get 25 just for signing up. Hey, look, this is not financial advice, but LeBron James is having commercials on this company, and the Lakers Stadium is now named Crypto.com. So, you know, put 2 and 2 together. I can only see what this is going to be in the future, and I will have many videos about this company in the future. It's not paid advertisement. I just like what I see. You know, I see something and I know what's up. You know, it don't take a rocket science. Just put 2 and 2 together and see what's going to happen in the future. But this is what I liked about my crypto, and if you stick around, you'll find out more information on how I trade crypto and I utilize crypto in future videos. Hey, Hudson Crypto family, it's been a great video. I'm sorry I've been gone for 5 weeks. I've been dealing with a lot this whole year, 2022. Lost my mom in February, lost my father-in-law of 19 years. Last month, April, 5 days after my birthday, and I took 5 weeks off from YouTube just to get my mind right. And for this video, do the same thing I did for my mom. I want to share a little light for my father-in-law and just let the world see what a great person that we just lost. So I'm see y'all in the next video. Peace.